What if ChatGPT could actually remember everything you've ever told it? That's not hypothetical anymore, and it's our #1 story today. I'm Maya Chen. This is AI Now, your daily top 5 in artificial intelligence. Let's count it down. Coming in at number 5, Anthropic is putting its most powerful AI to work protecting critical infrastructure. According to investing.com, the company expanded its Project Glasswing program this week, giving vetted organizations in power, water, healthcare, and communications sectors access to Claude Mythos preview for cybersecurity. The initial group of around 50 partners has already used Mythos to identify over 10,000 high or critical severity vulnerabilities. This is Anthropic positioning itself as the go-to AI for national security ahead of its expected October IPO, going head-to-head with OpenAI's government contracts. But things get bigger. Here's number 4. At number 4, remember those leaked model names from a few weeks back? They're looking more credible by the day. WaveSpeed blog reports that a source map buried in Anthropic's Claude Code NPM package revealed strings for Sonnet 4.8, Opus 4.7, and Mythos. Here's the thing. Opus 4.7 actually shipped on April 16th, exactly as the leak suggested. Now developer communities are buzzing about a mid-June Sonnet 4.8 release. If this pans out, Anthropic's maintaining a blistering model cadence that competitors simply can't match. Enterprise AI coding is becoming their territory to lose. Number 3 is where things get interesting. Number 3 tonight, NVIDIA just announced the future of AI on your desk. The RTX Spark is a 1 petaflop superchip combining CPU and GPU on a single package, designed specifically for personal AI agents. According to NVIDIA's Newsroom, this thing can run 120 billion parameter language models locally with up to 1 million tokens of context. That's enough to process entire books in one conversation. Laptops and desktops from Asus, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Microsoft Surface, and MSI ship this fall. NVIDIA isn't just dominating data centers anymore, they're coming for Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm on your desktop. We're down to the top 2. Here's what took the number 2 spot. In at number 2, Anthropic just took a massive step toward Wall Street. The company filed confidential IPO paperwork with the SEC on June 1st, according to their official newsroom. The numbers are staggering. A $965 billion valuation after their Series H, an annual revenue that crossed $47 billion in May, up from roughly $10 billion just a year ago. An October listing is expected. This would make Anthropic the first frontier AI lab to go public, setting the benchmark for OpenAI's eventual IPO and testing whether markets will embrace its unusual public benefit corporation structure. History in the making. And now, the biggest AI story of the day. The #1 story today is a fundamental shift in how ChatGPT works. OpenAI rolled out Dreaming v3, a completely new memory architecture that automatically synthesizes context from your past conversations in the background. No prompting required. According to OpenAI, factual recall jumped from 41.5% to 82.8% on internal evaluations. Paid users get double the memory capacity immediately, and free tier users will follow once they hit a 5 times compute efficiency improvement. This affects hundreds of millions of people daily. Persistent memory just became the new battleground, and OpenAI fired the first real shot against Claude and Gemini. That's your AI Now Top 5 for June 05, 2026. If any of these stories surprised you, drop it in the comments. Like and subscribe if AI news is your thing. I'll see you tomorrow.